Picture a bustling Roman villa in Herculaneum AD 79, a library alive with debate, philosophy, and science. Here, papyrus scrolls held the thoughts of Epicurus and his followers, exploring pleasure, the universe, and the good life. Then, disaster struck. Mount Vesuvius erupted, unleashing a pyroclastic surge that buried the town and its treasures in an instant. The intense heat carbonized everything, wood, food, and the delicate scrolls, turning them into blackened relics. For nearly 2,000 years this library was lost, its scrolls mistaken for charcoal, their secrets locked away. When excavators finally realized what they'd found, it was astonishing. Hundreds of scrolls, the only intact library from classical antiquity, but the scrolls were so fragile that any attempt to unroll them risked turning them to dust. The knowledge of the ancients was preserved, but seemingly unreachable. What secrets did these scrolls hold? Lost plays, unknown histories, scientific treatises? The Herculaneum papyri became a symbol of both hope and frustration, a library sealed by catastrophe. The fire of Vesuvius had both preserved and imprisoned a universe of knowledge. For generations the world could only wonder what lay inside. The library was there, but its doors were sealed shut. The greatest treasure of the ancient world was just out of reach. The mystery endured, waiting for a new kind of key. For centuries, the Herculaneum scrolls taunted scholars, a treasure chest with no key. Early attempts to open them were disastrous, slicing, unrolling, and even ingenious machines often destroyed more than they revealed. Each new method brought heartbreak, as precious lines of text crumbled to dust. Even with advances like multispectral imaging and X-rays, the carbon ink was nearly invisible against the carbonized papyrus. It was like searching for a black cat in a coal cellar, hopeless. Hundreds of scrolls sat in Naples, unreadable, their knowledge trapped. The invisible library remained invisible, a silent testament to the limits of human ingenuity. For over 250 years, every breakthrough ended in frustration. The fire of Vesuvius seemed to have the final word, yet the challenge persisted, inspiring new generations to try. The world refused to give up on the secrets of Herculaneum. The scrolls became a symbol of the mysteries we longed to solve. But the universe of human ingenuity was not finished yet. A new kind of solution was on the horizon. Enter Brent Seals, a computer scientist with a vision virtual unrolling. Using powerful CT scanners, Seals created detailed 3D models of the scrolls, mapping every wrinkle and layer without touching them. But even with these scans, the ink remained invisible. The breakthrough came with artificial intelligence. In 2023, Seals and entrepreneur Nat Friedman launched the Vesuvius Challenge, offering a $700,000 prize to anyone who could use AI to read the hidden text. The challenge was clear: train a machine to spot the faintest traces of ink, differences too subtle for the human eye. The world responded. Computer scientists, classicists, and AI experts joined forces. The goal wasn't just to read one scroll, but to unlock an entire lost library. It was a fusion of physics, computer science, and history, a 21st century quest to solve a 2000-year-old mystery. The race was on, and the stakes were monumental. Could AI succeed where centuries of human effort had failed? The future of ancient knowledge hung in the balance. The digital age was about to meet the ancient world. Thousands joined the Vesuvius Challenge, but the first breakthrough came from a 23-year-old student, Luke Ferrator. Ferrator's AI model detected a single Greek word, porphyros, purple, from inside an unopened scroll. For the first time in 2 millennia, a word emerged from the darkness. Ferrator soon teamed up with Youssef Nader and Julian Schilliger, combining their skills to refine the AI. Their collaboration paid off. By February 2024, they had deciphered over 2,000 characters, revealing 16 columns of continuous Greek text. The text was a philosophical work, likely by Philodemus, discussing music, food, and pleasure. It debated whether scarcity increases enjoyment, a direct window into ancient thought. The team's success was a triumph of open science and curiosity. They didn't need a massive lab, just data, algorithms, and determination. Their AI, trained to read subtle textures like frames in a movie, succeeded where generations had failed. The Vesuvius Challenge was won, and a door to the past swung open. The world could finally read the words of a lost philosopher. The impossible had become reality. A new era of discovery had begun. The ancient library was no longer silent. While AI unlocked ancient texts, it also tackled a different mystery, the Andrews-Curtis conjecture in mathematics. For 60 years, this problem haunted mathematicians, a puzzle in group theory, fundamental to understanding symmetry. Enter Sergei Gukov's team at Caltech, who built an AI using reinforcement learning, not to recognize patterns but to explore abstract mathematical landscapes. The AI was trained to find solutions humans might never imagine, tackling counterexamples that had stumped experts for decades. In 2025, the AI solved several of these cases, sweeping away the conjecture's toughest challenges. It didn't prove the conjecture outright, but it provided powerful new evidence and tools for mathematicians. Remarkably, this was achieved on a modest computer setup. No supercomputer required. AI had become a partner in mathematical discovery, not just a calculator. The ghost of the Andrews-Curtis conjecture was finally confronted. A new path for mathematical exploration had opened. The boundaries of human knowledge had shifted. AI was now a tool for the abstract as well as the tangible. Let's compare these two breakthroughs. In archaeology, AI became a superhuman eye, perceiving what was physically there but hidden, recovering lost words from charred papyrus. In mathematics, AI became a new kind of mind, exploring abstract spaces and finding solutions beyond human intuition. Both cases reveal AI's power to amplify human intellect, seeing deeper, thinking further. For the scrolls, AI's victory was in pattern recognition. For math, it was creative problem-solving. In both, AI revealed hidden structures, physical ink, logical connections, too complex for humans alone. The result, a partnership where AI extends our senses and our reasoning. These stories show AI is not just a tool for one field but a universal key for unlocking mysteries. The boundaries between disciplines are blurring. Discovery is becoming a collaborative process between human curiosity and machine intelligence. The age of digital discovery is here. The impossible is now within reach. The future of exploration has changed forever. The Vesuvius Challenge's success is just the beginning. The winning team's methods are open source, ready for anyone to use. Hundreds more scrolls await in Naples, and perhaps thousands still buried. We're on the verge of uncovering more ancient texts than in the last century. The same technology can unlock hidden texts worldwide, inside mummy wrappings, medieval bindings, and faded manuscripts. AI-powered virtual unrolling is revolutionizing how we read the past. In science, AI is accelerating discovery, solving geometry problems, analyzing genetic data, and finding patterns in the cosmos. AI is now a collaborator, not just a tool. Discovery is being democratized. Breakthroughs can come from anyone, anywhere. Each new tool builds on the last, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation. We're not just answering old questions, we're inventing new ways to ask them. The floodgates of knowledge are open. A torrent of discovery is just beginning. With these tools, what mysteries might we solve next? Could AI finally decipher lost scripts like the Indus Valley or Linear A, giving voice to silent civilizations? In science, AI is already helping to unravel the secrets of the universe, from particle physics to protein folding. Could it help cure diseases, unlock sustainable energy, or map the ocean's depths? The most exciting discoveries may be those we can't yet imagine. AI's cross-pollination of ideas is driving a new era of exploration. We're building a new kind of telescope, one that peers into the hidden structures of reality. The unknown is now within reach. The stories of the Herculaneum scrolls and the Andrews-Curtis conjecture are about more than technology. They're about human curiosity. For centuries, we refused to accept that some mysteries were unsolvable. AI is not our replacement, but our partner, amplifying our intellect and extending our reach. These breakthroughs are the result of human-machine collaboration, guided by our questions and goals. We stand at a remarkable moment, forging keys to unlock secrets from ancient philosophy to the laws of the cosmos. The journey ahead will bring surprises and deeper questions. What else is hiding in plain sight, waiting for a new kind of mind to discover it? The universe is full of mysteries, written in starlight, DNA, and ancient texts. Stay curious, ask questions. The greatest discoveries come from those brave enough to embrace the unknown. Our journey to understand the cosmos has only just begun.